Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Autopay schedule in Amex, full guide step by step clearly. To back up your Autopay schedule in Amex, start by logging into your American Express account. Visit the American Express website or open the mobile app. Enter your user ID and password to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments section. Look for the Manage Autopay option and click on it. You will see a list of your current autopay settings. Take note of each payment schedule, including due dates and amounts. For a complete backup, consider taking screenshots of this information. If you're using a computer, you can also copy the information into a document. For mobile users, use a note-taking app to record the details manually. Next, check if you have any linked accounts for Autopay. Record the bank account or credit card information associated with these payments. Verify the contact information linked to your Autopay settings as well. If necessary, update any outdated information before backing it up. After gathering all your Autopay details, save this information securely. Consider using a password manager for added security. Lastly, log out of your American Express account to ensure your information is protected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.